Hi, I'm Dennis at TeraFlex. We're out here in the shop today. Shop noises. But we're going to show you the new TeraFlex JL and JT full axle shaft assemblies that we just came out with. Right. Comes fully assembled. Gives you your outer joint, the 1350 U-joint in it, and a full solid shaft all the way through. Now what's different about that from a factory axles? Let's look at it that way. You've got they call it a FAD, FAD, front axle disconnect, that you're going to deal with in your factory axle. And that little guy lives inside of this housing. This is the actual FAD unit. It has just a fork in here that slides back and forth, so it actuates a little collar that slides back and forth. So factory axle, you've got a shorter axle on this side, and you got another axle on this side. So the two axles are just, the splines are just sitting there. And then there's a collar in here that joins them together. Now the reason they did that, it stops the drive line from turning all the time. So that's the good news. The bad news is if you try to do a chromoly shaft on it and do something heavier, you know, because you're breaking U-joints and having issues, now you're going to need to go to a solid shaft. So that's what the TeraFlex shaft is it's a 4340 chromoly steel shaft. So those things they're tough. They're not going to break. Still got a 1350 U-joint in it. So that is going to go across the whole front axle. So our joint is going to sit like this. There's your joint out there. You see the length of it? It goes right past the FAD. It's one full shot all the way across. That being said, we had to do something to get rid of that. And so we give you a little cover here. Front axle disconnect cover. Just a little FAD cover. So that guy just bolts right up there. Use the existing hardware, put a little silicone on it, boom. It's just a matter of kind of keeping some dirt out of it. So the big advantage, why we do it, it's a strength increase. You got rid of another actuator that you have to deal with anymore, and you're off and rolling. So that's it. We now have the full axle shaft assemblies for both sides. They'll fit in all the factory 44 axles. They'll fit in Tera 44 axles. And they'll also replace the CV axles. Some of you guys that are running that accordion boot looking thing on there. So it'll replace those CV axles as well. Both sides are available. Get one, get them both. I think if you're going to do one, you probably just get both of them and step up to chromoly. I'm Dennis at TeraFlex. We'll see you next time.